आज हम नया सीरीज स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसमें हम डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज़ होने वाले सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे। मैं हर सेंटेंस को 2 मरतबा स्लोली पढ़ूंगा। आप पहली मरतबा तवज्जो से सुने और दूसरी मरतबा मेरे साथ रिपीट करें। यू लुक वेरी हेल्दी। यू लुक वेरी हेल्दी। आई हैव अ मीटिंग दिस इवनिंग। I have a meeting this evening. His experience is very good. His experience is very good. I am coming late. I am coming late. I have to meet him. I have to meet him. He helped me. He helped me. He became very happy. He became very happy. I have to take this. I have to take this. I have to take this. I like your voice. I like your voice. This work is incomplete. This work is incomplete. You helped me. You helped me. He is in the room. He is in the room. He has become very good. He has become very good. My eyes hurt. My eyes hurt. My eyes hurt. He has a lot of time. He has a lot of time. I like this very much. I like this very much. He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't talk to me. My sister is happy every day. My sister is happy every day. He is still sleeping. He is still sleeping. Give me some time. Give me some time. He is very tired. He is very tired. I won't go. I won't go. I won't go. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. He is very hungry. He is very hungry. She eats a lot. She eats a lot. She eats a lot. He is at home. He is at home. He has gone very far. He has gone very far. I don't have money. I don't have money. Your phone is here. Your phone is here. विराट कोहली is losing steam. विराट कोहली is losing steam.